So in the previous tutorial in PowerPoint 2010, we looked at how to create this stick out effect, essentially using one image. The real key in PowerPoint, if you want to replicate what you can do in some of the other photo image editing applications, is to learn to work with layers. So I'm going to show you another way to apply this, more so, less because it's easier, but more so to kind of show you how to use the layering. So we come to this image here. In PowerPoint, if you go to, and this is starting with PowerPoint 2010, we'll be able to do this. So PowerPoint 2010, you've got the Home tab, you go to Select, go to Selection pane, and at this point you could see the different objects you have on your screen. What we have is our dog image here, and if I turn that off, we have our background image so that we can see where the dog is transparent. What we want to do here, to make this a little easier, is we're going to take the dog image, I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it. So here's our dog image. I'm going to align this, and we can turn it on and off, and so we can see the dog image is aligned. Alright, so this will be dog 2. So let's go ahead and title that, and what we can do is turn this off. So we've got our dog image. So what we want to do on the first dog image, let's go ahead and crop it down so we can get our straight line here. So I'm just going to go ahead and double click on it, go crop, and let's say I just want to crop it here, and now we've got that crop. So here's our dog image. Now what we want to do, actually we can go to the selection pane again. Let's go ahead and put that to the bottom. So if we turn that off, you can see it's cropped. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to dog 1, and we're going to just clean up the image. We don't need to clean up everything because we already have it cropped. Now if I wanted to, I could, I've got it cropped here, I can just follow the cropping line. So I can just do that. That'll make it a lot easier to clean it out. So I've got my cropping line, so I don't need to worry about the rest of the image. And now what we can do is we can clean out this white area here. Now using the color effects in this particular image, I could probably just set the transparent colors, and that will work. Or I can use the crop background feature, and because I don't have to deal with the whole image, it makes it a little easier to work with this. So you can see I can just play around with the sizing on that. In this case, all I have to do is kind of clean up this area, so I'm going to mark these areas to keep, and we'll just call that good. Probably maybe stretch it down a little here. Okay, we'll call that good. We'll hit that, and then we've got our same cropped image. So we basically made that up of 2 images, and then all I have to do is group them together if I want to, so you can see they're grouped together. If I want to, I can just save this group as a PNG, and we'll call this dog 2. We'll insert that or save that. Let's go ahead, we'll come to this image. Let's turn it off. Let's insert the picture, the dog 2 picture, which I have here. And you can see I've got a nice straight line, and I've got it cleaned up. And so that's a great way to create the stick out effect. So it's just learning to work with the layers and combining those images. So it makes it a lot easier than that first video where I showed you how to clean it all up with a single image. You don't have to do quite as much editing using the cropping feature.